It's nice to be here tonight. It's especially nice for me in that I was the principal here from 2007 through 2010. And this is a special place. This really is. And I'll tell you why it's special. It's special because of the programming, and it's special because of the people. People come to CEC and they stay at CEC. And because they have a cosmetology program, they all look really well preserved.
Congratulations to all the students. You have one of the very best schools in the entire country.
I am so happy. It's cool to see the nursing program here. It's cool to see, all the trades programs that we have.
This is great. You finally got a building that deserves the excellence that you have been for over 30 years.
It is an incredible journey that we have been on. To get to this moment has meant so much sacrifice, so much hard work, so much dedication, and so much generosity on the part of our staff, our students, our community, our taxpayers. We could not have done it without any of those incredible groups of people.
I started being a teacher, I was thinking, this will just be a fun job, and if it goes bad, I'll be all right. It's never gone bad. It's been good for 35 years.
So I had to apply here, and the application was a lot of work. I needed a recommendation letter from my math teacher, from my English teacher and science teacher. It was a lot of work, but it's worth it so far. And I can't wait to be a nurse.
We do 3 EMT classes down here for juniors and seniors that want to come and get a career-ready license for when they graduate, which is a really great opportunity. They can go straight from a class like this into a job anywhere from field EMS on an ambulance to at a hospital to a fire department.
It's a nice building. Great building, great programs, great school.
I think it's a lot of fun, and there's a really great community.
We're starting a film program from scratch. It's exciting. We just got some equipment on the way, computers on the way. We're excited to add a new discipline.
I learned a lot, and it's a lot of good experience that's preparing me to get out of high school. The whole upstairs is just dedicated to nursing, and we're able to have larger classes, so we're able to give more people the opportunity to get this jump start in life, which is amazing.
We're celebrating our 40th year here. So the students attend here their junior and senior year. And as you can see, we have a fabulous new classroom this year, as well as a fabulous lab. And so the students do a great job. They work very hard. It's a wonderful program to be in. You can graduate and take the boards to be a licensed practical nurse.
We welcome everyone who would like to join the nursing program. We are the seniors here.
This is our new aesthetics lab. We just started this this year. And we do introduction to eyelashes, facials, sanitation, disinfection. They'll actually be learning some classroom economy, which is amazing.
It was a lot of hard work towards the end to get the building ready. We had a great team.
I got to meet the most phenomenal man, and that is Mr. Pat Arguelles. A good leader makes a great school. He knows every child can do wonderful things. And a building is beautiful. It is. It's beautiful. But it's what happens inside that really matters. And he makes sure that good things happen.
This place is awesome because of our students, because of their dedication to what they're trying to do here, and to our parents who push their kids, who ask them to go to a school and learn instead of sit on their beds and Zoom into meetings. They came here and they learned, and they continue to do that. And so between our students and our parents and our amazing staff, we have created an amazing culture of learning.
We're incredibly proud to present CEC 2.0 to our greater Albuquerque community, and we cannot wait for everyone to see what we're going to do next.
Thank you to every one of you taxpayers for caring about our students. You show us how important they are.